Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I am here with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
Hello.
Hello. Apparently, most of America is misinformed.
How so?
Apparently, we think that if we're going to do work on our homes, that we need to wait until the warmer weather, but that is not the case, is it?
I hear this every year. The last 25 years. You know, you go out and you see somebody in the winter, like, well, we'll call you in the spring. You don't have to wait. We do this work 52 weeks out of the year. The quality is the same whether the work's done in January, February, March, April, May, any month of the year. It doesn't matter if it's raining, if it's snowing. We do the work year round. 99 times out of 100, we're working inside your house, not outside. So it doesn't matter what's going on outside. There's no need to, my point here is there's no need to wait till the spring to suffer through the problem again and then get at the end of the line of all the people that are racing out to get the projects done in the spring. Get it done now, and then you don't have to go through the problem this spring.
Yeah, and chances are good if you wait.
Oh, you're going
to be waiting a long time because
Yes.
you guys are pretty busy.
Yes, yeah. Last year, we got booked out one time 3 months. 3 months.
That's a long time.
That's a long time to wait.
Yeah, especially if you have
Yes.
an issue. So this is just another way also to kind of be proactive and to avoid maybe a bigger issue down the road.
Yes, by all means, yeah. And the other thing, we're happy to work for you in the spring too. It doesn't matter what time of year. It's a free estimate. We're not a high pressure company. We're not going to come out and twist your arm. If you've got a question, a problem, we're happy to stop out and see what's going on and give you some advice.
Okay, John, thanks. Great information. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here, everyone.